Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about Brussels sprouts, and I have a list of herbs and spices that are known to pair well with Brussels sprouts. So if you're looking for a different way to flavor them, maybe some recipe ideas, hopefully this will help you out. On this list we have basil, bay leaf, capers, caraway seeds, chili pepper flakes, coriander, cumin, curry powder, dill, fennel seeds, juniper berries, marjoram, mint, mustard powder, mustard seeds, nutmeg, oregano, paprika, parsley, pepper, rosemary, salt, and thyme. I hope this helps you out. Take care and bye for now.